So I'm going to be going to my baby brother's concert tonight, so we need to get rude. So we need to get ready. It starts at 5 and it's currently 3:55. So I got like an hour. I'm probably just gonna do something simple today. I already did like my skincare and everything, wash my teeth, all that good stuff. So let's get started. So I'm using this Revolution Photo Ready Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer. I haven't used this yet. I got it for Easter from my mother. I don't know how I feel about the applicator because when you squeeze it, it doesn't really like come out. Okay, I do have a little bit of some blemishes, acne, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna take a concealer brush and some concealer. So this is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish in the shade Fair Warm. Sassy and Chic BB Beauty Benefit Cream in Light 1. Hair Foundation. I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and highlight my face. Just going to set it with the Cartier Spun Face Loose Powder and Translucent Extra Coverage. Eyebrows, using the Profusion Brows Complete Brow Kit. First brushing through with the spoolie to get all the excess makeup out. And then I'm going to be using this shade and possibly this shade right here. I want to try something, but I'm just going to wait for TikTok to do it. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, then go follow my beauty TikTok, which is queenbeauty_YT. Set them with the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. Other colors, I love contour palette, mixing all those shades. Oh, my nose. Gotta contour the nose. Okay, bake my face before I start the eyeshadow. Here's the thing, I don't know what I'm wearing yet. So let's do something natural and simple, but kind of glam. Let's go into the metallicized eyeshadow nude palette. Take this shade for the crease. And I'm going to use this one to feather out the crease. This color and deepen up the crease and add that to the outer corner of my lid. Go into the Changeable Fantasy palette and mix this shimmer shade with this one. I'm just going to be using my finger and adding that to the middle and my inner lid. Kind of blending that into the browns. I'm using this brown for eyeliner.
Alexia!
Huh?
Are you a social media influencer?
Yeah. Why?
Because you got some box that says influencer.
I did not get the Voxbox. I got one No, this is not what I think it is. No! That's a brow wax. Instructions in here. Is this what it feels like to get PR packages? Because I could get used to this. Inner corner. Venus XS Lime Crime Colored Golds. The white shade. Mascara. Elf Waterproof Length to Volumized Mascara. And then Volumized Black Mascara by Ioni. I need to fix the eyeliner. Lashes. I'm just gonna be using these ones. Elf Peach Quad Duos. Highlight Ukabane highlight palette, just use all of them. Lip gloss, and then I'm done. Makeup's done. Well, let's get the outfits, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let's do a fit check. Basically, you guys seen the makeup or whatever, right? I just did these pigtails and used that. Earrings I got for Christmas. I don't know where they're from. Necklaces, my Zodiac necklace, and then my 2003 necklace, both from Amazon. This is a bodysuit. I got it from DD's. Black pants, pretty sure DD's. And then these golden white Guess shoes from Ross or DD's. He sang. What? He sang. He's getting his hat and this, what is it called? Coke bottle. Oh yeah, and then the Coke bottle holder signed by a famous basketball player. What's his name? Sorry, I didn't vlog. It's very hectic there. Got 2 prizes. Just for winning golf. Yeah, we played miniature golf and I got it in a hole. And then I got a yo-yo for getting 6 hole punches. If you guys enjoyed, please like, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. I upload every single Wednesday and Sunday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time. So make sure the bell's turned on. Follow my TikToks. My main is Queen Alexia _YTT. And my beauty is Queen Beauty _YT. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.